What's going on, guys and girls? I'm Nick in Milwaukee at the Mama Tried Motorcycle Show, which starts this Saturday and Sunday. So I'm here early, but it does not start open to the public till Saturday and Sunday, and it's an amazing building. Check this out. Pretty cool, huh? Bikes are just starting to roll in, but there'll be a lot of bikes coming in. A lot of this show's about really custom stuff. Like, there'll be some national bikes here. Barry Weiss's bike will be here, but he won't. So I will be filming all weekend, and make sure you tune in, because they're going to show some really cool stuff like this. So make sure you tune in all weekend. Cool Bro Superior, big money bike. Ducati 500. So, all right, guys, I'll let you go. See you this weekend. What's up, guys and girls? Ellie Nick. Pretty nice Bro Superior 37. This is actually, I think, one of the most beautiful bikes made. A lot of people say Vincent, but I don't know. I like the looks of this bike. I think it's a good looking scooter, man. It's pretty sweet. So I am at the Mama Tried Motorcycle Show in Milwaukee. It is not open to the public yet, and they're just setting up, and it's a spectacular room. Fantastic. So it's going to be a great weekend. It starts Saturday and Sunday of this weekend. So if you're near Milwaukee, come on out. This whole place will be full of bikes. So hope to see you here, man. I'm going to head back to the hotel here. Nice Ducati 900. Pretty fantastic. All right, guys. I'll see you this weekend. I'm going to be shooting a lot of videos, so stay tuned. What's going on, guys and girls? Ellie Nick. Today we are in Milwaukee at the Harley-Davidson Museum, and they got some pretty cool stuff. I'll check out. I'll go both sides. So pretty sweet bike right there. 1915 model 11JF head. Pretty sweet. We'll go get this one on the other side. It's a 1918 with the Rogers sidecar. 1926 overhead valve single. 29 side valve. That's a cool bike. Actually, that one right there is really cool. Model JDCA. A lot of models of Harley-Davidsons. Pretty sweet, though. I'm going to be shooting a lot of bikes, so I will. I'll be at Mama Tried, and tomorrow shooting bikes there, customs. So tune in, because there's a lot of cool stuff that I'll be shooting. Let's go down to the next era. See what we got here. 1932. That's sweet. That's a nice bike right there. 1932. Pretty sweet. Let's see, 34. Oh, these are still all side valve. 38. It's pretty nice too. Harley made a lot of models, man. Like a lot of models. 39. Anything pre-war is big money, man. These are all pre-war. 41, that's the last of the pre-wars. 42 is the war starts. So Harley made this bike for the war with the drive shaft. It's kind of like a Beamer motor. The opposed twin XA. You don't see too many in the public hands. They're out there. Pretty cool stuff. All right, guys, I'll shoot more. I'll be shooting all weekend, so keep watching. I really appreciate you watching, and I really appreciate you sharing. Thanks, guys. What's going on, people? LA Nick at the Harley-Davidson Museum in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. A lot of cool stuff. A lot of unusual stuff that you wouldn't think they'd have here, but this is pretty cool. Little drag bike someone made, 1954, custom K. Look how low those bars are, man. That's sketchy. Oh, it's crazy.
The people that come to these are what's important.
Thing's got some miles on it there, man. This was in a movie, Cheap Thrill. Maybe. I thought this was in a movie. Maybe not. So I'm actually in Milwaukee for a custom show called Mama Tried, and which is tomorrow. But we'll be there today. It doesn't open to the public tomorrow, so if you're around, check it out. It's at the Rave. This thing's got a lot of work into it. It's pretty neat. Crazy exhaust. I mean, that's pretty crazy. Someone put some work into this, man. 1946. Pretty radical. I guess no front brake. Oh, get a front hub on there, but no brake. Took a land speed record in California in 2009, but doesn't say what the speed was. Pretty cool though. Definitely a cool build. Love the rear end, the little tail light. I'd ride that. Let's see what else we got going on here. It's a nice classic chopper, man. I like that. Beautiful paint. I'm not sure what this is, but it ain't for me. I appreciate the workmanship, but it's just not very good looking to me. But it's my opinion. Someone else might love it. It's pretty sweet. We'll be shooting a lot of bikes this week, so keep watching, man. We're shooting videos like just one a second. Some nice work into this bike. I like that rear fender, and I like the exhaust. Alright guys, I appreciate you watching, and I really appreciate if you share, because sharing helps the videos spread. Facebook likes to hide motorcycle videos. I don't know why, man. They got something against bikes. Alright guys, thanks. What's going on, people? LA Nick. Look at this thing, man. It's spectacular. What a crazy build. Trying to see who's built it. Oh, Japan. Angio, A-N-J-Y-O. I can't pronounce it, so I'll just show it to you. But it's insane. It's a piece of art, that's for sure. It doesn't, my light's not doing it justice. Because there's purple lights in this building. The bike's all chrome, 100%. Just chrome, or aluminum. But the purple light's making it look purple, but there's no paint on it. They're just gold inlay. I love that front end. I don't know what it is, but it's cool. sure all handmade. Spectacular. Very spectacular. It's a lot of cool stuff. So we're at the Mama Tried show, which does not start until tomorrow. It's tomorrow and Sunday. We just got in early while the vendors are setting up. Let's see what this is. Oh, this is Barry Weiss's bike from Storage Wars. My buddy Barry, who was supposed to be here but can't because injured himself. Talked to him last night. He's bumming, but nice looking bike though. I like the way they did the turn signals in there. And I guess it's the tail lights and blinkers and brake lights all in one. I'm guessing. Really clean handlebars. The front reminds me of an Ariel Square 4. The way it's encased like that, or maybe a Ruby. Reminds me of something. I think Ariel. Reminds me of an Ariel. It's cool though. Once again, the purple's light from this building is thrown off. There's no purple in this bike. It is all aluminum. The purple lights are making it look purple, but there's no purple in it. So it's very misleading. That's another bike built by that Japanese guy. That thing, another spectacular one. Let's go on the other side and look at that. So that's the matching one of that other one. Once again, there's no purple in these bikes. It's from the lights up there. But look at this thing, it's spectacular. Wow. It's like gator hide seat. Look at those wheels, man. It's some serious work. Cali plates, both of them. Yeah, same builder. Pretty sweet. So this is the Mama Tried motorcycle show in Milwaukee. It starts Saturday, tomorrow, and then Sunday. Tonight's Flat Out Friday flat track races. So we'll be there tonight shooting those, but this show is going to be fantastic. So I will be here tomorrow live shooting, so keep watching. All right, guys, thanks, man. What's going on, guys and girls? LA Nick. So this is, what's your first name?
Tim.
Tim. This is Tim, and Tim builds these electric bikes. And what do you start with? Your base?
The electronics in there from a Zero SRF,
Okay.
And then basically the chassis, body, everything else is built around the electronics. It's designed to be all plug and play.
And it does 0 to 60 in
2.5 seconds.
2.5 seconds.
128 miles an hour in 6 seconds.
So
That's top speed.
130 miles an hour in 6 seconds. And smooth. It's pretty crazy. Definitely unusual. Is there a light on that tag?
Not on the tag, no. It gets a little red tint from the light or the tail lights, but
Is that how low it sits?
it's parked right now.
Okay, so it goes up. So it's on air.
It lifts forward.
It's on air.
Yeah.
Okay. It's pretty crazy, man. Is there a dash
Yep.
in there?
It's all digital.
All digital.
Links to my phone.
Oh, links to your phone. Really? Pretty crazy, man. We're at the Mama Tried motorcycle show. It hasn't opened yet. It's day one. It's tomorrow. Just vendor and press day only. So I'm trying to show you guys the unusual stuff. Appreciate you watching, and share. Thanks, guys. What's going on, people? LA Nick. Some pretty nice bikes here, man. All kinds too. Sport bikes, choppers, but some stuff's got a lot of work in it, man. 38 Knucklehead, Newton, Connecticut. There's bikes here from Japan. There's bikes here from all over the world, but some of the paint on some of these bikes is fantastic. This is all gold leafed, hand-laid gold leaf on that tank. The lighting in here is bad because it's got purple lights everywhere. A lot of work into that. I don't think it's someone's riding it though. I think it's just a show bike. What do we got here? They ought to kill you. Spain's #1. 2009 Aprilia 125. A Royal Enfield chopper. You don't see that every day. It's a new Royal Enfield. Some unique stuff here. Big tank Beamer. Tank's worth a fortune. 1961 R69S. Tanks are like $4 grand. Believe it or not. They're expensive. There's that bro. It's pretty sweet. It's not restored either. That's what I like about it. It's a 1937 Bro Superior, unrestored. Looks pretty original to me. I'm no expert, but it looks pretty good. I don't see anything that looks out of place. Maybe new carburetor. Everything else looks pretty original. Nice Ducati 900 Super Sport 78 big money bike. They're pulling big money at Meekum. A lot of choppers, a lot of work in some of these choppers too. It's crazy paintwork, man. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to share, man. Sharing helps me a lot. See you guys. What's going on, people? LA Nick at Flat Out Friday Flat Tracks at the Forum in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. It's pretty cool stuff here, man. The races have been awesome. I'm surprised at some of these bikes that people will race them because they're so nice. I mean, there's some like show bikes here. I'd be afraid to race them. Like stuff like this with nice paint, man. I'd be afraid to crash it. I mean, both these bikes, I'd be afraid to crash, man. Because they're so nice. Someone's got some money in them. But I guess that's part of flat track racing. Full house out there, I'll tell you that. Give you a peek. It's a full house. Mini bike races coming up. The big boys are the fun ones to watch. They're out of water. The water's out. It's a full house, man. Full arena.
Learning motorcycles is an absolutely wonderful skill to have. It'll translate into so many more aspects of your life. Like I said, we encourage the female vibe all day long. We love seeing them out here racing. Yep. Look at Alex going around Justine March.
Pretty fun.
And a banana go right behind you. Yep.
I'll go out in the center field in a bit and show some video of the races. I just had to come in and get something to drink. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. This is a pretty cool car. Gangrene, man. I'm digging it. I like everything about this car. The name, the look. It was a 37 Fiat at one time. But it's cool. I dig this car. This is right up my alley. This is something I would drive. Doesn't have much race interior, so I'd put a real interior in it. Drive it on the street. Definitely cool. Looks like the gas tank's right in front of the cab, which isn't always the safest place for a gas tank, but oh well. Cool car though. Alright, I'll shoot some more cars for you guys. There's all kinds here. You name it, it's here. We're at the World of Wheels in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. It's funny the cars that people pick to customize, like this Chevy wagon. Like you wouldn't think someone would pick this car to customize out. 79 Chevy Malibu wagon. But someone loves it. So, alright guys, I'll keep shooting stuff. See you soon. What's up guys and girls, Ellie Nick. Pretty nice Softail. It's an 09, it's a pretty late model, but it's got some serious work done to it, man. Done nicely, I like it. It's got really nice paint. Pictures don't do paint justice, but paint's pretty nice. Spent some money on it, everything's been upgraded. But it's pretty sweet. I'm in Milwaukee. This is actually World of Wheels car show. But they had a little selection of bikes, so I thought I'd shoot them real quick. This guy got going on here, speakers. I'm not a big fan of big stereos on motorcycles. I think it's dangerous. This is nice, old school. 70 shovel head. It's pretty nice. We're in Milwaukee, so it's going to be all Harley-Davidsons. So it's just the way it is. And when you're in Milwaukee, home of Harley-Davidson. So there's not many bikes here, mostly cars. So I'll show you those few bikes that are here. Oh, look at this thing, all white. You don't see too many all white bikes, but I'm not a fan of the big wheel, big front wheels. I think it's a fad that's gonna crash, just like dual engine choppers. But someone's got a ton of work into it and did a nice job. Someone spent some serious cash. Even underneath. Everything's painted and polished. There's Harley-Davidson's live wires, electric bikes. I don't know how good they're doing. At least they made them kind of cooler looking. I wouldn't mind trying one. I've never driven one, so. What's this little Harley? I don't know what this is. Looks like a Benelli. I think it's just for pictures. Alright guys, I'll shoot some cars because I am. Oh, there's some more bikes over here. Wow, look at this. This thing is just over the top. Silliness. I mean, that's not even a motorcycle. That's a. I don't know why. But what size that front wheel is? Past up to my chest. Big screen TV in the back. Pretty crazy, man. I couldn't ride it. I wouldn't want to ride it. I wouldn't want to drop it. I think it's just for show, man. I think it's just all show. I don't think you could actually ride it. But maybe I'm wrong. Pretty damn big front wheel. And how you would control that. Yeah, it's sick. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll shoot more. Keep watching. What's up people, LA Nick at the Mama Tried Motorcycle Show in Milwaukee. Pretty nice job on a Honda 750. I like the way they did the inlaid taillight there, LED. I don't know what the tank's from, but I like it. I like how they made it kind of modern. The modern dash setup. Oh, I like it. I like the way they did it. I thought it was digital, but it's not. It's not a digital screen. It's just lights. Tack. Speedo in the headlight, which is unusual for a Japanese bike. Looks Italian. But yeah, it's pretty sweet. nice pipe on it. I don't like this. I always thought these are cheesy, and they got no light. There's the builder. But yeah, he did a nice job. Nice inner fender. Sheet metal with louvered. It's pretty nice. It's got some stacks going. Yeah, he did a nice job. Store-bought rear sets. I got the same ones on my orange crush bike. I don't really care for them. But yeah, it's a nice looking bike. I like the Honda down the front of the tank. Alright, I'm going to keep shooting. You keep watching. See you guys. What's going on, guys and girls? LA Nick, the Mama Tried Motorcycle Show in Milwaukee. Pretty cool stuff here. 57 and 73 Triumphs. I'm guessing the frame is later. This is the oil in the frame. But pretty cool. Drag bike. There's a lot of stuff here, man. A lot of real nice stuff like this. Someone's got some serious work into that. I like they did the AMF, but FMN. Pretty cool. Digger frame. This thing's sweet. I don't know how nice it would ride. Handling wise, the handlebars are pretty sketchy. But she's cool, man. Love the little tail section. Looks like it's not plated, so he's not riding it. But the aesthetics of it are awesome. I think the tank might be backwards off of whatever it came off of, or it's just fully custom made. Might even be two toolboxes. That's what it is. I think it's light features. I don't know what it is, but it's cool. He did a nice job building it. Definitely cool. Alright, I'll keep shooting, you keep watching. What's going on, people? LA Nick. Pretty cool looking chopper. The guy did a lot of nice work to it. Love the pipes, I love the chrome down the tank. Get some light on here. Did a nice job on that. It's like that piece running down the tank. I love panheads anyway, so I'm not a tall chopper guy, but I like panheads. Beautiful seat. Someone did a nice job on that seat. Looks like he's been using it too. It's got some wear. I love the pipes. The pipes are awesome. Over the gearbox like that. Nice little shorties. Ain't no passenger pegs. I like the foot pegs too. They're pretty sweet. Simple but effective. No front brake. Love this padded sissy bar, the 3 pads. It's pretty sweet. Open primary. Couple little grips under there. But she's cool. Definitely a cool bike. Okay, you keep watching, I'll keep shooting. See you guys. What's up, guys and girls? LA Nick. Check this thing out, man. 36 beach racer from Daytona. 1937. Broke the land speed record. 136 miles an hour on a knucklehead. It's pretty cool. It doesn't look very comfortable, though. You're just laying down on that tank. Big old tack. Definitely doesn't look comfortable. I don't know. I don't even understand the position you must have been in. Let's see if there's any pictures of him on it. Yep, right here. Glares too much for the, can't really see the picture, but yeah, it's pretty cool. Definitely cool. I like the tail end. I don't like that seat, but the tail end's cool, especially from the back. Put a string of LED light right down there for a tail light. That'd be cool. Definitely would be cool. All right, well, I'm going to be shooting a lot of video this weekend. I'm in Milwaukee for the Mama Tried show and the Harley-Davidson Museum. So I'll be shooting lots of stuff, so keep watching. Thanks, guys.